Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. How do I do it? Now I bring you this tip that will help us avoid eating spoiled things and getting food poisoning or something worse happening to us. Since when we go on vacation or are on a work trip, we are not exempt from the power going out. They are fixing a transformer, or it is simply a general failure, but it lasts so long that it gives things time to spoil. With this tip we can know for sure if this happens and be aware so that nothing happens to us and thus take care of our entire family. What we are going to need are 2 bottles of water, the small ones of 600 milliliters or 1 liter at most, a knife, some scissors and some juice or water that is left over that has color. We take the bottle, open it, and with the flavored water, juice or whatever you want to put in it, we fill it more or less 2 or 3 centimeters from the base. Since we will put it in the freezer and it does not have to be a lot of liquid so that it freezes perfectly and stays upside down. We close it and we are going to put it in the refrigerator to freeze. Then we put the bottle in the freezer and wait for it to become ice. This can take 2 to 4 hours depending on your refrigerator, but it does need to be completely frozen in order to turn it upside down. While we wait for the liquid in the first bottle to freeze, we take the second one and we will make a cut about 5 centimeters from the base. We do this first by piercing it very carefully with the knife, always being very careful so as not to hurt ourselves. We take the scissors and cut until leaving a glass-like shape so that the bottle with the liquid fits in there and can stand upright as shown in the video. Since we have verified that the liquid is completely frozen and does not fall down when turning it over, we take it out so you can see how it looks with the base that we made with the other bottle. We take the bottle with the frozen liquid and join it with the base that we cut from the other bottle and press it in so that it stays in place and can stand upright to put it back in the freezer, but upside down. As you can see, it stands perfectly. Since we joined them perfectly, we look for a place to put it in the freezer. In this case, I put it on the side by the door since because of the height it did not fit where the racks where we put all the food were. This works like this. Before leaving your home for a long period of time, leave the bottle on, and if when you return it is still on, that means that your refrigerator was on the whole time and without any problems. And we can be sure that all the food is fine. But if on the contrary, when you get home you find the bottle with the liquid on the bottom, that means that your refrigerator was without power for at least 5 to 6 hours and your food may have spoiled, and you will have to make sure and throw away the bad stuff to avoid food poisoning. With this tip you can now be more certain that when you go on vacation or a work trip, your food will be fine and you can avoid any type of discomfort from eating something that is bad. As you know, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with all your friends, family and acquaintances. Give it a like on the Facebook page and don't forget to check out the other videos because I assure you that you will find one that will be very useful. Thanks for watching and I hope this advice is useful to you. As always, see you in the next videos. Thanks.